Hi guys! Joy here! Samahan niyo ako guys mag-prep ng aking skin for bedtime. Wala naman ako makeup at syempre I applied skincare, baby powder, pressed powder this morning. Samahan niyo ako guys mag-wash up and let me share to you my skincare routine tonight. Ayan guys, nag-shower cap lang ako kasi later mag-wash up ako ng aking face para hindi mabasa yung aking hair. First guys, ang ina-apply ko is this olive and argan cleansing oil. This deep cleans kasi guys and then it gently removes makeup, excess oil, at saka yung mga skin impurities. So kahit wala akong makeup guys, gumagamit ako nito. Ang maganda kasi guys sa cleansing oil na to is infused siya with natural argan oil and olive oil. Ang bango pa guys. And then gumagamit lang ako ng tissue. Ayan, para matanggal yung oil bago tayo mag-wash ng ating face. After ng cleansing oil guys, I'm gonna use this face scrub. Ayan, nabili ko to guys sa Pilipinas sa Watsons. I've been using this for 4 months already. Ginagamit ko lang siya mga twice a week kasi face scrub to. So exfoliating scrub guys, hindi siya ginagamit daily. So this brand, I'm not sure about the pronunciation. Bioten ba or Bioten? Sa mga nakakaalam, please do let me know the correct pronunciation of this brand. Ang maganda guys sa face scrub na to, this is made of 100% natural honey and apricot kernel. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan. Yung mga face scrub or exfoliating scrub guys, ginagamit lang siya once or twice a week. So, mga face scrubs kasi, it helps unclog pores. And then, it removes also dead skin cells para maging smooth yung ating skin. Ang sarap kasi i-massage, lalo na pag yung parang may mga beads siya guys. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba? Ayan. Ayan. So, yung ibang brand like mga St. Ives at yung may mga natural ingredients, yan guys, maganda rin. Pero try nyo tong brand na to. Ayan. Bioten, malaki na kayo, i-search nyo na lang kung anong tamang pronunciation ng brand na to. Kasi hindi talaga ako sure. Kasi may naririnig akong Bioten, basta, yung brand na yan guys. After ng face scrub, ito yung next na gagamitin ko, yung daily exfoliating gel. Ayan, yung Acne Control, the same brand guys. So, ang maganda dito guys, this minimizes pores, skin imperfections, and this maintains healthy skin appearance. Ayan, so I've been using this for 4 months na din kasabay nung face scrub kasi the same brand sila. Ayan guys, I'm done washing up my face. Apply lang ako nitong lip moisturizer guys kasi dry yung ating lips. Pag maginaw talaga dito sa Japan guys, lagi ako naglalagay nito. Kasi nakaka-dry ng lips, diba? Ayan. And then ito yung aking spray sa aking face. Next guys is mag-a-apply ako ng toner. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Alam niyo ba guys na yung toner, it helps your skin absorb other products more effectively. And then, it also improves your skin elasticity, and then it helps also brightens your complexion, and restore niya din yung skin's pH balance. Next guys, na i-apply ko sa aking skin tonight is itong Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Ayan, ubos na siya guys. So, yun, nag-open akong bago. Ayan. Hindi kasi ako guys mag-a-apply ng retinol tonight. Kaya ito yung apply ko. Next na i-apply ko guys sa aking skin is itong Snail White Double Boosting Anti-Aging Serum. This is one of my favorite serum from Snail White. Dati yung ginagamit ko yung nakasachet lang. So ito guys yung itsura niya pag naka-bottle siya. Ayan. So since this is an anti-aging serum, this helps smooths fine lines and wrinkles. This also helps for skin firming and reduces hyperpigmentation guys. Kaya maganda yung serum na to. Recommended ko to guys. Ganito siya guys. Pag ipapump mo siya, dalawang serum kasi yung lalabas. Ayan oh. Yung clear at saka yung white. Ayan. So ganyan yung itsura niya. sa ating skin. Next is eye cream. Ito guys, yung aking ginagamit. Maganda dito guys, ganyan yung tip niya. Ayan. And then, ganyan tayo dyan. And then sa kabila naman. And then itong tip guys, ganyan mo siya. Ayan, pang massage. I-spread lang natin evenly guys using our finger. Ayan. And then yung last na in-apply ko guys sa aking face is moisturizer. Ito yung gagamitin ko from Kiehl's. Konti lang i-apply natin guys. Ayan, yung sakto lang. There guys, I am done with my skincare. Last but not the least guys, ito na lang yung i-apply ko before going to bed. Yung serum lotion. This is retinol glutamate from Lux Organics. Nire-recommend ko guys yung lotion na to. Sobrang ganda sa skin at mabango pa. So hanggang dyan na lang guys yung ating video for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next one. Good night!